step number 1, you have to copy some photos, and step number 2, we actually have to combine the photos that we copied just now, and then we're going to go ahead and upload these photos on the server. It is that simple, and you can start making money online. All you got to do is simply copy and paste photos. Now this matter requires no technical skill, you don't need any experience, you don't need any hard work, and you don't need any money at all to get started. This is absolutely free and is available worldwide. But here's the warning. Please be cautious in using this and do not abuse this matter because you'll need 3 things in order to do this. Number 1, you need a mobile phone. You can do this on your Android phone or your iPhone. Or otherwise, you can do this on your computer as well. Number 2, you need to have an internet connection. And number 3, you need around 30 to 60 minutes to do this. Hey there! Welcome back to another money-making video from Investment Spot, where we teach you guys how to go from earning nothing to earning money as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let's start making money! Now I want you to first go on to google.com and search for this keyword, which is Harry Potter cast. I believe you guys have already heard of Harry Potter before. It's actually a very famous movie, and we're just searching for this keyword. In here, you're able to find all the casts and all the actors and actresses of this movie. What we're gonna do next is that we are gonna start off with the first actor here, which is Daniel Radcliffe, the main actor of the Harry Potter movie. I want you to open up another tab and search for the keyword, which is the name of the actor, as you can see here, Daniel Radcliffe, and add in a year, here say for example, 2010. Open up the images tab, and from there, they are going to show you all of the photos of the actor starting from 2010. So say for example, I want you to click on this picture right here, which is very good and a very high quality picture of the actor. So right now, I want you to right click on this image and save this image on your computer. You can also do it on your phone. Just take a screenshot of it. Now previously, we searched for a picture of the actor in 2010. So what we do next is to find the image by changing the year to 2020. Go down below and say for example, if you want to take this photo, go on and click and save this image on your phone or on your computer. Now we're gonna go and move on to step number 2. Once you've successfully copied and saved the photos, I want you to go on to the second website, which is ribbit.com. Basically, Ribbit is a free photo editor that allows you to copy and edit photos. Now don't worry, you don't need any technical skill. This is actually very simple and I'll show you how to do this. All you got to do is you just need to click on this button right here to start editing, and that's going to bring you to this page as you can see here. Now you don't have to actually download the software. You can just actually use it on your browser, on your phone, or on your computer. Once you open Ribbit, you'll be able to come over to this page, and all you have to do is just click on this button here of collages and select this view all button. And congratulations! You are able to come over to this page where you can start uploading and pasting the photos into this section. By default, you actually have a blank canvas in where you can choose the layout for your editing piece. But in this video, since we only have 2 photos, let us select the 2 boxes layout. So moving on to the next step, I want you to actually click on the library button at the bottom and choose on add photos, and select the source of your photo and upload it here. All you got to do next is just drag these photos and drop it into these boxes on the left and right, and as you can see here, up until this point, everything is very simple. Right now, what you're gonna do next is that I want to look at the left toolbar, and as you can see here, I want you to choose on this button here called text. And this is where you can add text onto these photos. Again, this is very simple. Make sure you keep watching so you can earn $5,000 up to $10,000 per month. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money-making videos for you guys. Now let's get back to the video. So right now, all you have to do is you're going to type the text right here on the box. Let's say you're going to type in 2010 and then you want to choose your font for the text. Then we could just drag the text, drop it at the bottom as you can see here, and of course you can change the color of the text easily. Add another new text which is 2020. Just type in 2020 and click on the add button once again. and that we could just change the color and font so that both of them look the same. This is very simple, and all we did was just copy and paste the photos, combine them together, and add a very simple text at the bottom of the photos. The next thing we are going to do is to click on the save button on the top right. As you can see here, this is the photo that we just created from scratch, and you don't have to change any settings. Just click on the save button and move on to step number 3. Once you combine the photos together, I want you to go onto this website, which is clidio.com. So once you come over to the home page of this website, I want you to scroll down below and click on this button, which is Video Maker. And right there, you are able to find a blue button where you can choose a file. All you have to do is just click on that and then look for the image that we just created. Right there, it's going to start uploading and processing the photos. From there, that's going to bring us to this page where we can actually combine different photos, and then we can combine that into a video. Right now, we are gonna pause for a moment, and I want you to check out this example. I want you to take a look at this YouTube channel right here, which is Epic Time, and as you can see here, all of these videos are getting hundreds and thousands of views. What this channel is doing, and what we do now, is that these photos that we just created are comparing celebrities from before and now. That's exactly how a lot of people are able to make thousands of dollars every single month. And once again, you don't need any technical skill, you don't need any camera, you don't have to show your face. You can just create a very simple comparison photos and just link them together and make it into a video, which in just a moment, I will be showing you how we can do it on clidio.com, which is very easy. So right now, as you can see here on clidio.com, once the actual photo is on the timeline, you can actually add another one as well. You can see here what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna go back to the Harry Potter cast Google search and repeat the process for the other different actors. Say for example, with Emma Watson. Same what we did to the previous actor, just search for a 2010 and 2020 picture of the actress and combine it to make another picture like this, and boom! Rinse and repeat. Just add them into the software, and as you can see here, when I click on the play button, they're going to go on to the first photos, and then onto the second photo. For this example, I'm just going to use the same photo for this, but you get the idea. You can repeat this step with 10 to 20 sets of the photos, and you can have about 2 minutes long videos that you can successfully upload on YouTube. One bonus tip is to add some background music. All you have to do to add background music is we can just go on to Google and search for the YouTube audio library. You can just click on the first thing right here, and that's going to bring you to this page where we can find copyright-free music provided by YouTube. You could just play and listen to the music, and if you find a suitable track, you could just download the track. You can do this on your phone as well. So all you have to do is just click on Add Audio and import the music that we just downloaded. The music will be added onto the background, and boom! You now have background music on your videos. And that's exactly what these guys are doing. And that's exactly what we did in this video. This method has been proven to make $15,000, even $20,000 every single month. So don't miss out on this method. And that's a wrap. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time.